At SPC, we specialize in being able to convert parking structures that are in need of a facelift. And one of the ways that we do that is using paint and new lighting. And we're able to complete this with minimal impact on residents, or if it's in an office parking structure. And really the change that you see when a project like this is completed is really one that lifts the value of the asset, creates that showroom look, really accentuates not only the vehicles that are there, but just that feeling of safety, that everything is well lit. You're able to see across the parking structure. You're able to find your vehicle. One of the things that we really enjoy is working alongside building owners and being able to help them achieve this. Contact us for a free quote.